What's up, y'all? I hope you guys are... Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you guys are having a good summer so far. I have been really busy with a couple of shoots these past few weeks, and I finally burnt out. I was sick for a couple of days. As you can probably tell, I'm still recovering from that sickness. My voice is still a little bit different. But now I'm back making videos, my energy is back, and I'm excited to get to work. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys what's in my backpack whenever I'm editing outside of home. Now, you're probably asking, why don't you just stay home and edit? Well, the thing is, I have my bed right here just beside where I work. I have the fridge downstairs and the TV is also downstairs, so there's a lot of distraction around me. So I'd rather edit outside at like a coffee shop or something. So here's what's in my bag, editing day edition. Enjoy. So let's start with the bag itself. This bag is from Incase. I purchased it from the Apple store about 3 or 4 years ago, and I still have it. It's actually holding up pretty well. It has this nylon upper and a fake leather on the bottom. You have 3 main compartments, one on the side, one on the top, and this secret compartment, which is right on the back of the bag. In this compartment, you have a pretty good space where you could store your keys, some change, or your wallet, or your passport, or a notebook. So for the main compartment, you have a dedicated laptop sleeve where you could slide in your laptop. I believe it fits until a 15-inch laptop. In here, you also have tiny pockets where you could store stuff like your external hard drives, your cables, or your pens. Here, I usually store my notebooks or food or whatever, a water bottle. And probably my favorite part of this backpack is this pocket over here. It's like a small secret pocket where you could stash some cash, or also you could put your passport in there. And yeah, it's very discreet and I use it a lot. So overall, I really like this bag. It's very comfortable and it's very minimal looking, which I love. Now let's get to the contents of the bag. So inside, I keep my 15-inch MacBook Pro I purchased recently. This is pretty much a replacement for my old 2012 MacBook Pro. And if you guys remember from my minimal desk setup, I had an iMac on the desk, but it was giving me a lot of trouble, so I had to return it and just exchange it for this. Now, the 15-inch MacBook Pro doesn't have the best battery life, so I always have to keep my charger with me. This is a newer MacBook Pro, so it doesn't have your regular USB 3.0 port. Instead, it has 4 USB Type-C ports. So my old USB 3.0 devices, just like my external hard drive, can't even plug in straight into the laptop. Instead, I have to have this, the dongle. This dongle allows me to plug in 2 USB 3.0 devices, an SD card, a micro SD card, and 2 other USB Type-C devices. Next up is, yep, you guessed it, another dongle. Since I have an iPhone 8 Plus, I need this dongle so I can plug in my headphones onto one side and the other side into the lightning port of my iPhone. And when I need to plug in the headphones into my laptop, I just take off the dongle and this plugs straight into the laptop. Now, speaking of headphones, these I can't leave the house with. I like working and editing downtown, which is an hour away commute from home, so I have these pretty much on all day. Now, these aren't the best for editing, but it gets the job done, and that's all that matters. Next up is my external hard drive. This is the WD 2TB My Passport. My shoots are mostly video related now, which takes up a lot of space, from 100 gigs per project to even up to 600 gigs per project. Having this external hard drive means that I don't have to keep any files on my laptop. And last but not the least, a pen and a notebook. I often use these during my commute whenever an idea pops into my head. Studies show that within an hour, people will have forgotten an average of 50% of the information presented, and within 24 hours, they have forgotten an average of 70. So say goodbye to your unwritten $1 million idea. So write things down, or you'll most likely forget it. And that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I do really appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And follow me on Instagram at KidOctober. And deuces!